We've talked a lot about sharpening tools, and we've made a lot of use of sharpening stones, but we haven't talked about sharpening a stone. And believe it or not, stones get dull too. You have to sharpen your sharpening stones. Here's the method. You take a little bit of WD-40, get a little spot wet there. Now I'm using 220 grit lapping compound here. Just going to put a little bit of it right there. Let's put a little bit more. We'll go right on top of the lapping compound. This is a ground steel bench top, so it's very flat. And we're using the lapping compound to open the porosity of the stone again. Just a figure-8 motion, and I think we need just a little bit more. Flip the stone over to the other side. You can see how the stone has been dulled and scuffed. Just in a simple figure-8 motion like this, and you can feel when that grit has taken those burnished surfaces off of the stone. There we are. Now when I rinse the stone off, you'll see that that stone has been opened up and cleaned again. So the stone is now sharp for the next sharpening episode that we're going to use it for. I have another stone here, another sharpening stone that hasn't been sharpened in a while. And again, just in a figure-8, we can open the porosity of that stone and clean out the debris and the clogging and the grains of the abrasive. And you can see in just a matter of a minute or two, and we have again sharpened this stone. You can see the difference of the stone's texture from before sharpening, and especially on this stone right here. This is the one I use most frequently. It's a very narrow tapered stone and works best, of course, when it's sharp.